Hello, and this is question number 7 from lesson 1, part A, and it's dealing with double triangles or two triangles. So I'll take a look and we'll do the answers to both of these. So for A, I'm going to just work down here. So for question A, the goal is to find the missing sides. We need to start with the triangle that we have our information about. So that would be triangle DEF. It's a right angle triangle, so I know I can use SOHCAHTOA. And in order to get information that will help me with the other triangle, DFG, I need to find side DF. So in order to do that, if I have this as my reference angle, I know I'm really looking for my opposite, and I know the adjacent. So I'm going to have to use tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Tan 35 equals, that's going to be side DF over 15. So using our calculator to solve here, we're just going to multiply the 15 up, which would give us a value of DF equals 15 times tan 35, which gives me 10.5. That's in centimeters. So now I have enough information to work on triangle DFG, my red one. So in this one, if this is my reference angle, I have an angle, I have the opposite side, and I'm looking for hypotenuse, so that's going to be our sine. So I'm going to slide down. So sine, I'll use a different angle, sine phi equals opposite over our hypotenuse. So sine 45 will equal 10.5 divided by our hypotenuse. Now I'm going to solve and do some rearranging. My hypotenuse is 10.5 divided by sine 45. Plugging that in the calculator, so 10.5 divided by sine 45 gives me 14.8 centimeters. So therefore, x is 14.8 centimeters. So there is my answer for part A. Part B, I'll do as well. The difference with this one, you got to be careful here. If you look, triangle DBC is not a right angle triangle, so you cannot use SOHCAHTOA in the first step. We do know the two side lengths here are equal, so we can use our cosine law. So side BC will equal square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. So that is the square root of 15 squared plus 15 squared minus 2. 15 times 15 cos 70. So plugging that into the calculator, we get 15 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 15 times 15 times cos 70. And I get 17.2. Again, we're working in centimeters again. So I know side BC, right there, 17.2. Now I'm working with a right angle triangle. So I'll switch colors. Here's my reference angle. So the side I just found is my opposite. Looking for hypotenuse again. So that means I'm going to have to use sine. So sine, I guess I can use theta here, over h. Sine looks like 27. A little blurry for me, so if it's not, I apologize. Over, over hypotenuse. So h equals 17.2 over sine 27. And plugging that into the calculator, so 17.2 divided by sine 27 give me 37.9. And it was what? Another x value, I think, so therefore the x value is 37.9 centimeters. So hopefully that helps you out on how to deal with two triangles and having to move from one to the other, carrying over information.